So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the website CINHAL through the Mercy College webpage. First thing you want to do is go to the main Mercy College page, click under My Mercy. On the right hand side, you'll see a column of selections. Go down to the Library tab, click on that, and then this brings you to the library main page. Here, you're going to want to go to the Online Services. And then from the online services, you're going to go down here towards the bottom. That takes you to the Opal website. Now here you can obviously access many different features through Mercy College, but the one we're going to focus on this little video is the CINHAL Plus Full Text. So we'll click on that, and this brings you to where you can type in your word that you want to search for. I'm going to type in the word sestamib. This is the nuclear agent that we use for nuclear stress testing. And then we'll just click on search. So it brings up and it'll show you it has 307 options that it had found. That's a lot. I definitely want to narrow this down. So if you look on the left hand side, you'll see where you can refine the search. So we'll just go down here. First thing I want is I want to make sure I have all full text. Because remember, you do not want to just go by an abstract alone. You want to look at the whole article itself. Publication date, this is 11 years. It's too long, so I'm going to boil it down to, let's say, 2012. Keep her pretty recent. So now I've gone down to 59 articles from the 300 plus. And then actually I can go down here a little bit more. You can select the publication that you want, if there's a certain publication that you're looking for. I'll just probably leave it at this 59. So we'll go down, and if you notice, obviously it's going to show you the name of the article, and then also underneath it it's going to show you full text through link source. So this is going to be the direction that it's going to take you to access this full text. And then also there's another option where it'll say PDF full text. So if you were to click on the PDF full text, it's going to literally bring you the full text in PDF format. You can print it, you can save it. One nice little feature on this as well too, on the right hand side, you can actually cite it. So if you were to click on this little guy here, this will show you the AMA format as well as the APA format. And then another nice feature, you can export the citation, and we can actually export it to EasyBib or even EndNote. Obviously these are the ones we just talked about here recently. So this will give you ways to transport your citations if you're going to use this article. Another thing that I want to point out is we had talked about the full text through link source. So if you were to click on that, it's just not going to come up right away with the PDF. It's going to come up and say, all right, we need to find another way to access this. You can find the full text from OhioLink Electronic Journal Center, which is we'll click on. What this does is it takes you to a different search engine, which is the EJC search, which we'll talk about here in a different video. So this searched that website for this exact article, and they found it right here. So we'll click on that. So here it's going to bring up the abstract. Obviously, don't want an abstract. I want the full article. So it's easy enough. You just click right here to PDF full text, and then that will pull it up as a PDF file. Now with the PDF file, you can save it, you can print it from here, but obviously you can't export any reference information. So what we'll do is if we go back, let's just go back here to where I just clicked on the full text, and over here on the right hand side you can actually export the reference to a reference manager, or if you use RefWorks, you can directly export it to there as well. So if you have EndNote, EasyBib, BibMe, whatever, you can export the reference to that type of a manager, so you don't have to write it all out on your own. So that is that. And then also now there's a chance you're gonna run into some problems. So let's say, oh, this is the article that I'm looking for, full text through link source, great, let's click on that, and then it's going to come up with a couple of different options. Okay, so this article is actually through the Journal of Nuclear Cardiology. Springer is the actual publisher of it. So we'll click on that and say, okay, great, I'm going to get the article, and then you're going to have to buy it. Well, not really interested in buying it. So, okay, let's get rid of that, and let's click on the full text at the publisher site. And then pretty much exact same page, got to buy it. Not what I want to do. So last option is search the Ohio Link catalog for a copy. So then it gives you 3 options here, and everyone, if you click on, it doesn't give you what you're looking for. So, and if you look here, like full text on Ohio Link EJC only goes to 2008, where this article, if I remember right, is from 2014. So here's an article that I would like to have had. Unfortunately, I'm not able to access it this route. I mean, you could call the library to see if they can't somehow get it. Otherwise, you know, you still have 58 other articles that you could choose from, and hopefully they have something. But if there is an article that you really want, I would definitely highly recommend calling the library, tell them what it is that you're looking for, and see if they can't get it for you a different way. So this is a real quick overview on how to use CINHAL as a journal lookup. So if you have any questions, please, you know, let myself or Quentin know. Otherwise, this will be a great search engine to use along with PubMed, Google Scholar, and EJC.